on wet black soil. Cold breath in my teeth, hands full of the spoil.